Hello everyone, welcome to BizRunTool Lite version. Today I'll be walking you through how to use your Lite version for your business sales entries and your expenses and total report analysis. BizRunTool is a complete business management tool that helps you to streamline your day-to-day business activities, keep track of everything that is going on in your business. Regardless of your absence with BizRunTool, you will be able to monitor your business and monitor your sales and growth rates per day and annually also. And also, BizRunTool is one tool that helps you to be tax free. I will not be going much on that, but if you want to know more about that, simply click on the link below this video description and register your account to get all details. Right away, this is the BizRunTool Lite. We'll be logging into my account, but if you have not registered, once you open the portal, just scroll down and click on register here, and you fill the simple registration form and you are good to go. So right away, I'll be clicking on the login now. So we log into my business dashboard and I will show you how to enter your sales and your expenses and invoices and track your customers. So this is my dashboard. I just logged in now. You can see for today, I have recorded no sales. That is why you are seeing the 0 balance. And then when you check on the transaction, everything is 0. Then when you scroll down, you will see the total sales record in this week. And also when you come down a bit, you will see the expense details, and on the quick actions, you can see the buttons you use to perform all the actions. Like this button here is for you to add a new sale. Let's say you finished your sales for the day, you simply open your dashboard and click on add sales and you record your sales. This is for expenses and this is to add a service. And this here is very handy for those of you that want to follow up with your customers. You can use this to add your customers into your business dashboard and you'll be able to keep track with them and keep them updated on your product, recent arrivals, or for those customers that are still owing you, you'll be able to prospect them and you'll be able to keep track with them. So right away, I'll be going to the add sales button now. You can do that by clicking on the plus icon just below the right corner of your screen or using this add sales feature. So once you click on the plus icon, the buttons will open and you select the new cell. So once you click on that, it opens the sales page. Now, the first thing on the page is customer's phone number, and you can add your customer's phone number here. But should you not have your customer's phone number, you can leave it blank. But it is advisable that you add your customer's phone number if you have it. So the next one is payment status. How did your customer made purchase of those goods? Is it full payment, part payment, or no payment at all? So you select, in this case, I'll be selecting part payment because my customer bought so many goods and he paid half of the payment. So the next thing here is to select on the products that the customer bought for this sales. So what you need to do is just to type the initial of that product and the system automatically calls up all the products in that category for you to select. So what do I mean? Let's say I made a sale on LG smart television. Once I type in LG, I'll be able to see every product in LG. So I'll have to select the LG. So the next thing here is the quantity that the customer bought. So in this case, I'll leave it at 1 because it's just one item of LG that the customer made purchase. So you can see the next is the price. The system automatically calls up the price of the products for you from the database. So, and more handy one here is the add more sales feature. So with this light version, you can easily add multiple sales at once. Let's say the customer made a purchase of several items, LG's, smartphone, and all the rest. You simply add all the sales and the system automatically sums up and give you the actual values and data for you to save. So now I will simply click on add another item because the customer also made another purchase. So I'll just type the initial and the system calls it up. I sold the blender to this customer, and on this product, these are the products on this category. So I have to select it. And once I'm done selecting it, I will still enter the quantity of this item. This is two orders was made. I made 2 sales, and the subtotal is there for me. So if you have more sales, more than 2, you simply use the process and you add all those products, all those sales that you made for that customer before you save. Now the next thing is to scroll down and see the grand total of the product. Now the system sums all the sales that you have entered. Let's say you entered multiple sales, the system sums them up for you and gives you the final price. So in this case, you should remember that I'm working with part payment with the customer made. So it's asking me to enter the payment amount. How much did the customer actually paid? So I'm going to enter the payment amount, and you can see from here, this is 141,000 naira total, and this customer paid me just 100,000. So I'm entering 100,000, and you can see the system sums up and shows me the balance that the customer will have to pay up with. So now I'll simply click on save multiple sales. That is just that, guys. So it is very easy to enter your sales with the light version of BizRunTool, and that is the essence of creating the light version for easy and seamless experience. So now you can see that the sales has been added successfully, and when I go back, I'll be able to see the details of those sales. So this is my sales dashboard. Now you can see total sales is 20 because I've added a sale this today, and you can see the total amount. This is my overall amount of sales I have recorded so far. Now the next thing, when you scroll down, you will see the details of every sales that you have recorded. So you will see, let's say your sales rep is managing your business for you. You'll be able to keep track and know the progress of everything. If they record the sales, when you log in, you'll be able to see the sales they record, how they made the sales, and possibly who they made the sales to, because you have your customer's phone number here. So now you can see this sales is a part payment sales. When I click on it, I'll be able to see the details of the sales, like what did this customer actually bought, what did they sell. Now you can see the product that they sold. The 2 product that was recorded, you can see it here, and you can see the details of the product, and the balance that is to be paid is 41,000 naira. Now you want to print out this receipt. You can print, you can download, and you can share the receipt also. Let's say you want to share it with the customer and all that, so you can do all that with it. So that is how you can add sales using the BizRunTool Lite version. It's very simple, it's very user friendly.